Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 185mm circular saw. When you buy the saw in the box, it comes with warranty details, comes with a side fence and the spanners to change the blade. Whenever using a machine like this, we'd always recommend that you use safety goggles or safety spectacles. The machine itself comes with 185mm 18 tooth tungsten carbide tip blade. It has a lower guard, so when you're cutting through the timber, the blade will always be covered as the guard is spring loaded. We can adjust the machine in several ways. To adjust the depth of cut, we unscrew the bolt at the back, and from the base plate, we can adjust the base plate to adjust the depth of cut on the machine. To do miter cuts with this machine, we have a bolt at the front, and we have a bolt at the back, and that will adjust the base plate so we can cut miters. That is the ROK 185mm circular saw. Now let's see the saw in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.